Welcome to our guide on Xiao, the powerful Anemo polearm user from Liyue. As a Yiksha Adeptus, Xiao brings unmatched Anemo prowess to the battlefield. In this video, we'll cover his story, abilities, and the best builds to unleash his full fury. Xiao is a Yiksha Adeptus tasked with protecting Liyue. With his Anemo abilities, he excels at dealing damage and controlling crowds. His story is deeply connected to the Wangxing funeral parlor and the Liyue Qixing. Xiao's Anemo vision allows him to manipulate wind and air currents. His abilities include a powerful burst that deals massive Anemo damage. We'll dive into the details of his skills and how to use them effectively. To maximize Xiao's potential, pair him with Anemo supports like Sucrose or Veni. These characters enhance his Anemo application and damage output. We'll explore the best team comps for Xiao. Xiao's C2 significantly enhances his burst damage. Prioritize it for in-game content and dominate tough foes. We'll show you the best artifact and weapon builds for Xiao, including his optimal main stats and substats. Thanks for watching our guide on Xiao. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Genshin Impact guides and content.